Hey guys, it's Cher, and today's video is going to be another get ready with me for a fall photo shoot. This photo shoot is going to be more fall themed, so I tried to use a darker blush, a more golden toned highlighter, and some reddish orangey shades for my eyeshadow. So if you want to watch me get ready for this photo shoot, then let's get into it. To start off, I'm using my L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Infallible Total Cover Foundation in the shade 301 Classic Ivory. If you want to watch me try out this foundation for the first time, then you can click the card above me right now. I'm actually using two different concealers. One of them is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. I'm using this for my under eyes because I feel like it really helps with my dark circles. And then for the concealer I'm using on the rest of my face, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 325 Eggshell. I have videos of me trying both of these concealers for the first time, and there will be cards above me throughout this video if you want to click on those and check that out. Moving on to my eyebrows, I wanted to make them dark while still making them look more natural looking, since this wasn't supposed to be like a creepy fall themed shoot. It was supposed to include like leaves and just be more like happy. So I filled in the ends of my brows with the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. Then to keep it more natural, I filled in the rest of my eyebrows with the Naked 2 Urban Decay Basics Little Mini Eyeshadow Palette using the shade Cover. After that, I moved straight onto my eyes with the Kylie Jenner Sipping Pretty eyeshadow palette. I also have a video on this, and there will be a card above me if you want to click on that and watch me test it out and review it for the first time. This palette had some really nice fall themed colors that I thought would work well for this shoot. So I went in with the more neutral shade Pregame as my transition, and to put that right above my lid. Then moving more directly into my crease, I used the shades Close the Tab and Sangria, which are these orangey red toned eyeshadows, and placed that more directly into my crease and also moved it down a little bit onto my lid. Then for my lid, I took the shade called Lit, which is this golden shimmer shade. It's very pretty. I placed that on the bottom half of my lid all the way across, and then I also used that to wing it out a little bit into my natural eyeshadow shape, and also used it to make a type of shimmery eyeliner without actually using black eyeliner like I normally do. To finish the eye look out, I smoked out my bottom lash line using the shades Sangria and Pregame. I finished up with some of my usual CoverGirl Supersizer Fibers mascara. Then moving on to the rest of my face, I used the Hoola Light Bronzer from Benefit to bronze my face and add a little bit of color to it. For some light contour, I also used the Hoola Benefit Mini Contouring Single. Surprisingly, it doesn't have an exact shade name, but it is just a little bit darker than the Hoola Light, and I feel like both of these bronzing and contour shades work very well for my skin tone, and they are my absolute favorite. I wanted to go with a darker, more dramatic blush since it is fall, so I used the blush shade from the Naked Urban Decay Flush Palette. This particular palette is called Sesso. For highlight, I used the Ofra Cosmetics Madison Miller collaboration highlighter in the shade Moondance because it is more golden toned and I felt like fit the rest of the vibe of the makeup look. If you want to watch me test this out for the first time in one of my Ipsy bags that I just recently got, then you can click the card above me right now. Then to finish this look off, I just threw on a little bit of my Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the color Rosewood. As always, I always use this lip product because it's just a very natural looking lip color on me and I really like it. And I might have run out of cards by now, but if I haven't, then you can click on the card above me right now, or I will link it in the description box down below if you want to watch me test this product out for the first time. It is really good, and unfortunately, upon coming home, I realized that I might have accidentally left it at the shoot location, which sucks because I don't normally frequent that location, so I'm gonna have to go out and get me another one ASAP. I use that lip plumper in almost every single makeup look that I do ever. For finishing powder, I just use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Translucent to finish everything up and make it look smooth. For this shoot, I straightened my hair and added some gold jewelry because I feel like gold is kind of more geared towards fall. I also ended up bringing 2 sets of outfits, even though I kind of only ended up using one of the sweaters, and then I just ended up changing from a skirt that I had brought to jeans so that I could like sit on the ground and take some photos with some leaves. The sweater was from Forever 21. I think the skirt was from Shein, and the tall boots are actually from Michael Kors, the only Michael Kors product that I own. They were a gift from my mom like last Christmas, I think. And then when I changed into the jeans, they are from American Eagle. I'm not sure where the short boots are from. I just thought they looked better with the jeans since the jeans do kind of end in like a very skinny leg, and you wouldn't really be able to appreciate the jeans if I had just stuck with the really tall Michael Kors boots, even though they are very nice and very expensive. Thank you, Mom. Don't take this as an offense that I changed boots in the middle of a photo shoot. This is my second time working with this photographer. Her name is Rachel Taylor, and I will include her Instagram and her Facebook page down below in the description box. She is so awesome to work with. She makes you feel super comfortable, and she gives you directions, and I just really love her, and I love working with her. If you guys like this type of video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Also, subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't yet, and click the little bell notification if you want to be notified every single time I upload a new video. You can find me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. My social media links are always in the description box down below. Make sure you leave me a comment about what types of videos you guys would like to see me do next, because I do base my future videos off of what comments I get. I post a lot of my modeling shoots on my Instagram page, so if you are interested in more content like that, then please make sure you check out my Instagram. It's included in the beginning of the video, and then I always link it in the description box for people to find. So follow her on Instagram and check out her Facebook page, which, like I said before, I will link below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!